On our home page, proceed by clicking on the 3D House Design Software menu. This will show you the software products that CAD Cabin offers. You can compare software that suits best your needs or requirements. Select your preferred software by clicking the Buy Now button. This will bring you to the product page where you can see its complete features. If you are already decided to purchase the software, click on Add to Cart button below the product description, then click View Cart to check out. In the cart page, review products before checking out, enter coupon code if you have, then click Proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, fill out required personal information. To pay, select either PayPal or credit card. If you have PayPal, select PayPal and click Proceed to PayPal to check out on PayPal website. After successful transaction, it will redirect you back to the confirmation page. If you are paying through credit card, select credit card and fill out card information, then click on Place Order button. After successful payment, it will direct you to a page where you can download the software installer. We will also email you the download link and the serial number for activation.